So this program has been a phenomenal experience for all. It was inspired by a partnership from the College of Medicine and the Cancer Center in conjunction with ASCO.
The internship was phenomenal. Just the ability to not only meet professionals in the field, but also medical students who share my passion for oncology. It's really heartwarming to see that I'm not the only one who's crazy about becoming an oncologist.
The goal was to expose our underrepresented in medicine students to oncology.
I was born and raised in Colombia, and I migrated here to the United States, and I am grateful to be able to pursue an education and to diversify the field of oncology further.
As a mentor in this program, it really is important for me to feel that I'm getting the student to actively participate in the visit. So one way I do that is to make sure that they're interviewing the patient, but also involved in the tough discussions. Oftentimes in our oncology visits, we're celebrating fantastic news, the best of the best with cures, and then also, unfortunately, we're talking about end-of-life transition for some of our patients. And it's important for me to have the students see the wide variety of visits that we have in any given day.
Shadowing physicians is a privilege. It's a privilege because you get to see the real life work of physicians. You get to see the interactions that they have with their colleagues and their colleagues in healthcare. But it's also a privilege because you get to have a glimpse into a patient's life. So just being there and witnessing the act of medicine take place, even if we're not asking questions, just being present, it's an honor.
You know, these students already have an interest, or at least a basic interest in oncology, but to have them really kind of be on the front lines of what we do, we give them a sense that there's an entire team behind the care for these patients. And once they feel like they're really incorporated into this team, I feel like they're able to kind of respond. They see that they can grow into their interest in ways that they may not have imagined.
The main highlight of the program was reinforcing the fact that I really love oncology and that I really want to pursue this field. And I think the internship really solidified that I have the animus and the predisposition for this field, that I have the passion for it, and that I have the capacity to be an excellent oncologist.